I want to be where I am right now. So that's what CPA has done to me. My name is Sidharth Sharma. I belong to New Delhi. I finished my CPA exam in February 2019. I got placed in May of 2019 with an Arkansas based firm. I was really impressed by the material and the way the sessions were delivered. And of course, the mentors' availability to answer any questions that we had. And after every few topics, we had a Q&A session wherein questions were asked from the students, as well as the students could ask the questions from the mentor. Every subject's first session was taken by Varun Jain, and yeah, he was also like quite interactive and engaging. He used a lot of mnemonics, and he could relate to a lot of stories. He could connect with a lot of us in terms of how our personal lives are, and so we could connect with him. The way he taught at a very, it was like a very like a friendly conversation. CPA matlab miles.